3, 2, 1. Obviously you had to burp. No, it's for good luck. Welcome to Two Girls and Two Cups. आज जितने भी
Blue Tokai sponsors. Two Girls and Two Cups.
My aunts.
Grandparents live right opposite Blue Tokai and उधर पहले जैम जार होता था वर्सोवा में all the Bombay people. So she would say हाँ जमजार है और ब्लू ठुकाई है. हमारे घर के
ठोकाई से याद आया. आज इसी के बारे में बात करते हैं.
People keep saying कि हम सिर्फ सेक्स के बारे में बात करते हैं. Oh, these girls just keep talking about sex or boys or politics or what else is there to talk about?
जो कर नहीं रहा होता ना वो बात.
No, one second. Remove all this. What do we talk about?
Remove.
And then you're like, oh, that's why female comedians don't work. What are men talking about?
Women.
What are men talking about?
Women, their wives, girlfriends,
they are talking about
mothers.
boys, girls, sex, mothers, fathers, 370 की बिरयानी सब बात कर रहे हैं.
Correct.
हाँ? But we are getting hate.
Correct.
We will talk about sex. Fuck off. Welcome to another episode of Master Debaters. Today we are master debating about whether
what is worse?
Physical cheating is worse than emotional cheating or vice versa.
Vice versa. Physical cheating is worse than emotional cheating.
I feel physical cheating is worse.
One second. How can you say that physical cheating is worse than emotional cheating?
What is physical cheating?
Having sex with somebody else or kissing them or making out, touch, wherever physical touch is involved.
If I'm in the gym and my gym trainer touches me to bend me down
sexually,
or whatever, how do you know?
I mean, you know whether
Who decides what is physical cheating?
Oh my God. If the thing goes in the thing.
Okay, let me ask. If I am doing bachata, you know bachata?
Yes, I know. Do you know?
Bachata.
Bachata.
And the bachata dance, if you don't
it's
have,
quite
if you have
sensual.
not seen bachata dance, you have to see bachata dance.
ChatGPT, give me points to fight on her for emotional cheating. I'm supporting that emotional cheating is worse than physical cheating, so I need pointers so that I can fight with her on it.
अच्छा, but let me say my point ना.
अरे यार ये ChatGPT इतना लंबा point देता है. अरे just give me points. Just give me like
bullet points.
Bullet points यार. It's giving me like essays, man.
Yeah.
क्या करूँ मैं ऐसे का तेरे?
Anyway, I was saying कि जो बचाता होता है, अगर मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ बचाता करूँ तो क्या वो फिजिकल चीटिंग हुई अपने मेरे हस्बैंड से?
नहीं. तो छुप के अपने फ्रेंड के साथ बचाता कर रही हो तो वो फिजिकल चीटिंग हुई. लेकिन अगर तुम्हारे पति को पता है कि ठीक है तुम बचाता क्लासेस जा रही हो विद योर फ्रेंड एंड ही डजंट वांट टू डांस, देन इट्स फाइन, देन इट्स सेंसुअल.
अगर वो मेरे ऊपर गिर के उसने मुझे किसी कर दी तो
उसने उसके बाद सॉरी बोला?
हाँ बोल दिया.
या बार-बार गलती से किसी करी
और सॉरी बोल दिया?
हर बार सॉरी बोल दिया किसी करके.
हाँ. मिस्टेक 2 बार नहीं हो सकता.
वो जो एक बार हो वो मिस्टेक, जो बार-बार हो वो आदत.
But no, coming to my first actually very legit point is that आपको लगता है कि physical cheating बस किसी होती है या मतलब
मैं तो कह रही सेक्स होता है, बट
काफी लोग सोचते हैं कि यार especially men can go have sex mindlessly and come back and still be in love with their partner and not really be emotionally attached to
the person
they had sex with. Sure,
even women
but
can,
that's what they think. The problem is that when you go lip to lip and body to body with someone, you are exchanging lots of fluids and lots of with that you like microbiome जो होता है, जो gut bacteria होता है, वो तुम exchange कर रहे हो. Gut bacteria exchange करना पता है कैसी कितनी बड़ी बात होती है? तुम्हें पता है कितनी बड़ी बात होती है?
उससे immunity बढ़ती है. It's actually good.
So you're saying physical cheating is good?
It's better than emotional cheating.
क्योंकि immunity बढ़ती है. तुम्हें पता है गट बैक्टीरिया तुम सिर्फ उसी के साथ तुम्हें शेयर करना चाहिए जो तुम्हारे लीनियज से आते हैं, क्योंकि
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. घर का अचार खाया है?
मैंने किसी और घर का मैंने कभी अचार नहीं खाया. मैंने सिर्फ अपने घर का अचार खाया है. और मेरे जो फैमिली में बनता आया है दही जो होता है, दही कैसे बनता है? दही कैसे बनता है
मुझे नहीं पता.
स्टार्टर होता है दही का.
हाँ.
वो स्टार्टर, मेरा जो स्टार्टर है दही का जो मेरे घर पे बनता है, वो पता है कहाँ से आया है?
कहाँ से?
कश्मीर से.
तो
मेरे हस्बैंड के पापा के पापा के पापा के पापा के पापा ने वो स्टार्टर बनाया था और आज तक वो दही जम रही है. पॉइंट ये है कि वो दही अब मैं तुम्हें नहीं दे सकती क्योंकि वो मेरे घर का दही.
मैं तो तेरे घर का दही खाया है.
वो अमूल का था. मेरे वो वाला दही, घर का दही मैं किसी को नहीं देती. वो अमूल का दही है, वो मैं अलग से मंगाती हूँ गेस्ट के लिए.
वो फ्रेज सुने, घर का अचार खाना चाहिए.
नहीं सुना है और मैं बिलीव नहीं
करती. तो सुन ले, क्योंकि तू बिलीव नहीं करती इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. ठीक है, तू बहुत चीजों में बिलीव नहीं करती, जैसे मैथ्स. बट वो एग्जिस्ट करती है ना।
मैथ्स का कोई यूज नहीं है इस दुनिया में, कोई भी यूज नहीं है। अभी कैलकुलेटर जब से आया है इस दुनिया में, मैथ्स का कोई यूज ही नहीं है।
कमिंग बैक टू फिजिकल चीटिंग एंड इमोशनल चीटिंग, देखो फिजिकल चीटिंग ना इम्पल्सिवली कई बार एक बारी में हो सकता है, लेकिन इमोशनल चीटिंग ना बार बार होता है, वो एक बारी में डेवलप भी नहीं होता। You have to give time to the person to be emotionally involved with them, and then that level of cheating you can't come back from.
इमोशंस को आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं।
कैसे?
मतलब इमोशंस, आप वापस अगर घर आओगे तो आप सिर्फ इमोशंस के साथ आते हो। अगर आप फिजिकल चीटिंग करो तो आप वापस घर एसटीडी के साथ भी आ सकते हो।
That is true, लेकिन कॉन्डम यूज करोगे तो शायद नहीं ना।
हाँ, लेकिन तुम्हें लगता है कि कोई जब चीटिंग कर रहा है वो कॉन्डम का सोच रहा है?
हाँ, क्योंकि
वो अपनी बीवी का नहीं सोच रहा, वो कॉन्डम का क्यों सोचेगा?
क्योंकि वो बीवी का नहीं सोच रहा है, इसलिए कॉन्डम का सोच रहा है। बीवी के साथ कॉन्डम,
बीवी का सोचेगा तो कॉन्डम का सोचेगा।
फिजिकल चीटिंग इम्पल्सिव हो सकता है, is what I'm trying to say. It can be out of an impulse कि तुम
I don't think
moment में
physical
बह गए।
cheating, I don't think physical cheating कभी भी
टीचिंग तो होता ही नहीं बड़ा।
फिजिकल चीटिंग इम्पल्सिव नहीं हो सकता। तुम उसके बारे में सोच रहे हो तो तुम जब ड्रिंक भी पी रहे हो,
हाँ।
तुम जब वो एक्स्ट्रा ड्रिंक पी रहे हो, तुम्हें पता है कि इस ड्रिंक के बाद तुम्हारे होश और हवास खो बैठोगे तुम,
हाँ।
और तुम्हारे सामने जो लड़की है तुमने ऑलरेडी उसको टारगेट कर दिया है,
हाँ।
और जैसे ही तुम्हारे होश और हवास तुम खो बैठे,
हाँ।
तब से तुम उस लड़की को टारगेट कर रहे हो, और
Agreed.
वो जो तुम्हारी टारगेट है तुम्हें पता है, तुम्हारे इनहिबिशंस खत्म हो जाएंगे,
हाँ।
और तुम उस लड़की के पास जाओगे, और वो लड़की तो वैसे भी ड्रंक है, और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि तुमने उसको पिलाया ताकि वो भी अपने होश
ठीक है,
हवास
तो
खो
ये
बैठे।
प्लान फिजिकल चीटिंग थी कि ठीक है मैंने प्लान किया कि आज मैं फिजिकली चीट
सब लोग
करूंगा,
plan
करूंगी,
करते
ठीक है। अच्छा ठीक है,
गलती से होता ही नहीं।
ओह,
गलती
अच्छा,
से हो ही नहीं
ठीक है, बट फिर भी मीनिंगलेस सेक्स तो हो सकता है। आपको पता ही नहीं है उस लड़की का नाम, आपको पता ही नहीं है कि वो लड़की अच्छी इंसान है या बुरी इंसान है,
कुछ
तो
तो
आपने whatever you had sex and you came back home and you were feeling miserable or not, I don't care, but emotionally involved होने के लिए you have taken an effort to get to know that person. तुमने टाइम दिया उस बंदे को जानने के लिए, पहचानने के लिए, एक इमोशनल कनेक्ट बनाने के लिए। तुमने उसके साथ ऐसी चीजें शेयर करी जो शायद तुम्हें नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, और अब तुम ऐसे हो गए हो, बट फिजिकल में तुम ऐसे थे, बट नाउ यू आर दिस।
तो तुम कह रही हो
हाँ।
कि अगर तुम्हारा पार्टनर,
हाँ।
हाइपोथेटिकल,
हाँ, हाइपोथेटिकल पार्टनर या पार्टनर हाइपोथेटिकली,
मैं उसके बारे में नहीं बात करना चाहती जो असली में है, क्योंकि मैं आई डोंट वांट टू पुट दैट आउट इन द यूनिवर्स।
ओके,
सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाइपोथेटिकल पार्टनर।
सो लेट्स से आई एम सिंगल एंड डेटिंग समबडी हु इज वेरी हॉट।
कि अगर तुम्हारा पति तुम्हारे पास आया और बोला कि यार,
मेरा पति नहीं है, मैं सिंगल हूँ।
हाँ सॉरी, तुम्हारा बॉयफ्रेंड
हाँ।
तुम्हारे पास आया और बोला कि यार मैंने उसके साथ कुछ भी नहीं किया,
हाँ।
पर शी इज नाइस गर्ल,
हाँ।
अगर तुम मेरे लाइफ में नहीं होती तो शायद मैं उसके साथ होता, पर मैं उसके साथ नहीं हूँ,
बट इट्स वर्स।
और मैंने उसको छुआ
तूने
तक
सोचा कि
मैंने उसको छुआ
अगर
तक
तूने मुझे बोला कि अगर तू
मैंने
नहीं
उसको
होती,
छुआ तक नहीं।
that is fine, whatever man, you got emotionally connected. You are telling me that if I was not there, there would be this girl. That means she is better than me. That means she is giving you emotional comfort more than I am.
So you're okay to be emotionally worse than physically worse. Like,
Yeah.
what if he comes back and says she was really hot and that's why I did her?
हाँ.
Wouldn't you feel bad about your own body and how that you are not? Wouldn't you feel that you are not hot enough?
No, I wouldn't. You know what? Because I know that sex after some time with that person also is going to get boring. Okay, because it does.
So you'll wait for that.
I mean, I know that, but if he gets
and then you will be the other woman.
maybe. But if he gets emotionally connected to someone, that can last a lifetime. It can be a lifetime connection, which is very hard to break. Also, one rule: if the sleeping with has happened with one person one time versus it's happening with the same person multiple times, that's also no. Because if it's happening with the same person multiple times, that's an emotional connect, not a physical connect.
But what if it happened in the same day?
Multiple times, that's okay. Because it happened.
Because I'll tell you. One kiss transfers nearly 80 million new bacteria, and kissing someone around 9 times a day
Your argument
can
is
make your
bacteria.
saliva almost identical.
Then?
Kissing is not just affection. It is biological bonding, immune communication, and nervous system regulation.
So?
Do you know why we kiss?
Yeah, because of this.
Because of?
बट जरूरी नहीं है ना कि फिजिकल चीटिंग में किसिंग हो रही है, इट कुड जस्ट
अगर तुम फिजिकली इन्वॉल्व हो तो कहीं ना कहीं तुम इमोशनली भी इन्वॉल्व हो, उस वक्त के लिए सही, पर तुम इन्वॉल्व हो। तुम
I don't
शायद वापस आके अपने आप को उल्लू बना सकते हो कि it was just physical, but it is never just physical.
Sex can mean nothing. Emotional attachment almost never means nothing. Emotional cheating involves lying every single day, not one mistake. Sharing your deepest thoughts with someone else is more intimate than sex, which I completely agree with. It creates a comparison between the partner and the other person. If your partner runs to someone else when they are happy or sad, relationship is damaged.
I don't agree. Silence speaks louder than words.
If your
The amount of things you can share in silence,
If Bhavesh-
words do not have that depth.
if podcast is using
Acha, tell me something. Tell me something.
Bhavesh
If
comes to
emotional
you-
cheating is worse,
Yes.
then why, when somebody doubts their partner, they ask, "Did you sleep with them?" and not, "Did you love with them?" Tell me.
because they know that if they have slept with them once, then it might not be love with them. But if they've slept with them more than 2-3 times, it's already love with them. So when they're asking, did you sleep with them, they know that they have been spending immense amount of time with them कि emotionally तो वो connect हो ही गए और अब physical भी हो गए, तो there's no chance of coming back. If Bhavesh comes tomorrow and says, I am obsessed with this other person, baby, but I haven't done anything physical with her, you will be able to forgive him?
No. Yes. Yes, I will forgive him.
Because you have to debate this. You just said no.
I will forgive him.
No, you won't.
I will be like, "Baby, did you sleep with her?"
And then if he says, no, I didn't sleep with her, but I'm obsessed with her.
But we cuddled. I would be like, "That's a good boy."
Bhavesh,
You controlled yourself. As a man who cannot control, you controlled. I'm proud of you.
I think...
That means he thought about me and he's like, I can't control what my heart is feeling, but I can control my body. And I controlled my body, which means he thought about me and he thought about his kids that are not born yet. He thought about Mashu.
Would you rather your partner sleep with a stranger once or fall in love with someone else slowly?
Huh?
Would you rather your partner sleep with someone else or fall in love with someone else?
Why would I want either? Why would I rather want either?
Because it's happening.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि men are so emotionally stunted that it's better that they feel emotional towards something, if not
They
their
are
own
so
wife.
emotionally stunted that if they feel emotional towards someone else, it's an unbreakable bond.
No, I'm like, अच्छा है, express it, remove it. But what you keep expressing, maybe keep it inside for some time.
Fuck it, I have questions.
If sex is just physical, why do people hide it with the urgency of someone concealing a murder weapon?
Because when you've committed, you are not supposed to cheat,
Why?
period.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because you have made a commitment, na? You can't cheat. But I'm saying which is worse, physical or emotional? Either way, you can't cheat. Let me make it very clear. This doesn't mean that you can do physical cheating and you can do no. It
Do
just
you
means which is worse.
Okay, wait. You really think that if somebody is together for 50 years,
50 years, yeah.
for 50 years, you think in those 50 years, either one of them has not been emotionally connected to any other person, like in a romantic way? They may have not acted upon it, but do you think it's not happened?
I think if they've not acted upon it, it's not happened. If they've not acted upon it. You said they have not acted
Exactly.
upon
So
it.
acting upon it makes it real. Acting upon it makes it
I'm
real.
so confused. So what are you trying to say?
I am saying that physical cheating is worse because as soon as you act upon it, you're making it real. You're making the bond real.
But that's what I'm saying
But
for emotional
otherwise-
also. You're saying the same thing.
No, but emotional is happening anyway, and you are
What do you
living
mean it's
with that
happening
person.
anyway?
That's what I'm saying. If you're with someone for 50 years, in those 50 years, your partner is going to have feelings for other people. He's not going to be fully loyal emotionally to you anyway.
Why?
It's going to happen.
What do you mean?
It's going to happen.
That they get emotionally connected to someone else. Then
और
everyone
they
must be going-
imagine कि अगर मैं इससे पर ठीक है मैं इधर ही हूँ
That's
मैं
not
उस पे
emotional.
act upon नहीं करूँगा
But that is physical
what if-
attraction.
but what if I was with this woman?
But that is
Maybe
physical.
life would have been different, but it's okay. I have chosen my person.
That's not emotional
and
connect.
maybe I have to stick to this.
That's not emotional connect.
Of course it is.
Emotional
course
connect is
it
when
is.
you're sitting with people and discussing your most intimate thoughts.
Not
and secrets.
necessarily. You can sit down. 1 second. You can sit down for 1 hour and talk to each other about just where you've come from. It does not have to be intimate details.
That's not emotional cheating then.
If you sit down with someone for 1 hour also, you can have that connect.
No, but it's not romantic. A connection
What
can be
makes
with
you
a
think
friend
you're
also.
saying in 1 hour you cannot have romance between
Listen.
two people who have just met? You're living in a
No.
bubble.
No.
You're living
You
in
can't
a
have a
bubble.
1 hour
You're
romance.
living in a bubble.
You need time.
People meet in a flight, have those 8 hours of a conversation in a flight and feel the most immense kind of love you have ever felt in your life.
Yeah.
But you then have to go and move on to your real lives.
But then that is emotional cheating.
That's what I'm saying.
And it's
पर वो
worse.
तो हो सकता है ना.
क्यों हो सकता है? Physical भी तो हो सकता है. तो
उस
8
पे
hour
तुम्हें
flight में तुम
control
High
नहीं
Mile
है.
Club भी तो join
उस
कर
पे
सकते हो.
तुम्हें control नहीं है. But as soon as these people have joined the Mile High Club, in that moment is when it becomes real. Is when it gets fucked up.
Okay, tell me something.
Nobody is meeting each other and pouncing on each other and having sex. Is
You are in a
emotional
bubble.
connect.
You are in a
There is
bubble.
emotional connect.
I'm saying emotional connect is what?
But I'm saying that it becomes real when you
Okay.
do each other.
Which is easier to forgive?
Which is easier to forgive. as
Forgive.
in- I think if somebody is physically involved with someone, there was some emotion involved. So
No,
it's
not
worse.
always. Meaning like sex exist करता है यार for a
नहीं,
reason.
नहीं, that's just an excuse.
लोगों
people give
से
each other.
okay, science biology, male biology कहती है कि जब उनको डिजायर फील होता है ना तब उनका कंट्रोल
ये किसी मेल ने ही लिखा होगा. आधे से ज्यादा स्टडीज तो मेल्स नहीं किए
नहीं, they
हैं.
have
आज
blood-
तक जो मेडिकल रिसर्च हुआ है वो वुमेन पे हुआ ही नहीं है, सारे मेल पे हुए हैं और मेल ने ही किया है.
You think they are always emotionally connected?
There is some emotional.
There are people who hook up with each other without knowing each other's name. How the hell are you emotionally connected? You don't even know each other's names.
That is when they are.
It's passion.
No, that is when you have had something really terrible that is for your body.
No, that's not
Intoxicant.
necessary. No, not necessarily.
I have not heard of any two people who
Nobody's
have
telling.
had meaningless sex without having been under the influence of something.
Okay, tell me. Honestly, tell me, which is easier to forgive? If your
I'm
partner,
not going to be honest. I have to win the debate.
if the person does physical cheating, or
I
which is easier to
believe
forgive?
there is nothing.
Okay.
There is nothing non-emotional about physical
Okay,
cheating.
let me ask you
Start
some
listening
questions.
to me first. सीधा दूसरे पे घुस जाती है. I do not like this.
क्यों लड़ रही है?
तो बात तो कंप्लीट करने दे
अब
ना.
बोल ना फिर.
सीधा इधर घुस जाती है. मैं
फालतू की
तेरे को
बात बोल
इग्नोर
रहा है.
करूँ क्या? करूँ इग्नोर तेरे को?
बोल.
बहन की चूत.
Don't get personal. What is it? Say.
हाँ, say you say. चल.
I'm asking you questions. Okay, tell me.
हाँ.
Have you ever emotionally cheated or physically cheated, or have you been cheated on?
We'll talk about our previous partners क्योंकि इस
Yeah,
वाले
yeah,
का
yeah.
बात नहीं कर सकते.
इस वाले का हमें बात
We can't
करनी
reveal. Have I ever been cheated on?
Yes.
Yeah.
Physical or emotional?
Physical.
Physical.
इमोशनल चीटिंग कोई बताता नहीं है और इमोशनल चीटिंग पे ब्रेकअप हार्डली होता है. तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चलता. इमोशनल चीटिंग का पता ही कोई
लोग
प्रूफ ही नहीं है.
ऐसा अच्छा चैट्स होती हैं भाई, लॉन्ग फोन कॉल्स
वो
होती हैं.
चैट्स के बाद सेक्सी होता है.
हैं?
हो जाता
लोग
है.
डिफरेंट
फिर पता
कंट्रीज में भी
चलता
हो
है.
सकते हैं.
सेक्स के बाद ही पता चलता है लोगों को कि इनके बीच में कुछ
ऐसा
हुआ
कुछ नहीं है.
इट्स ट्रू.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो कि आई हैव बीन इमोशनली चीटेड ऑन एंड ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. देयर वाज नो फिजिकल. क्यों बताऊं?
You've been emotionally cheated on.
Yes.
Who?
How will I tell you? Why will
How,
I
I mean.
I got chats and there was no physical intimacy.
That's
ever.
what he told you.
No, there wasn't.
That's what he told
It couldn't have happened. They were in different countries.
you. You remember that weekend he said he's going off to
Who?
Bandardara?
So emotional cheating very much happens, and it's I think was because it's harder to get over.
Yeah,
Or-
because clearly you're not giving that person
Wow! Wow, dude! Wow. So are you trying to say if a partner emotionally cheats, it's the other person's fault?
Yes, it is.
Cancel her.
Physical cheating, no matter how much sex is happening in the relationship, हो जाता है. And that's the problem. This physical shit na is physical shit.
Can I
But
tell you
emotional shit I get because you can feel a different kind of connect with another person and it's fine. It doesn't necessarily have to be overthunk.
That's not a word. Okay. Okay. Which would you hide better, physical or emotional?
Obviously emotional. There is no proof.
When you have to hide work harder to hide something, it's worse.
You think it's not it's not hard to hide cheating?
First,
You think it's not hard to hide cheating?
physical cheating?
हाँ.
Harder क्या है? The question is what is
It's harder
hide?
to fight something that has happened in actuals.
Acha, which is easier to forgive?
Next question.
Answer me.
Next
Answer
questions.
which is easier to forgive? Physical cheating or emotional cheating?
See,
No, just yes or no.
I am thinking about
Which is easier?
none. I will never
Physical
forgive
or
either.
emotional?
I will stay alone, die alone.
That looks
and
like your
I
future.
Will, yeah.
Okay. If your friend cheated, whose side are you taking?
Which cheating?
If it's physical?
But see, physical cheating for a man and a woman is different also. No?
What do you mean?
If women cheat, it's after a lot of thunking. Women don't just fall on someone's dick.
I agree.
Yeah.
If a woman tells you that it was just physical, it's probably her. You know, I will believe a man if he tells me that it was just physical somehow, because I'm like, okay, you're wired maybe like this. But if a woman says that it's just physical, I'm like, bro, I don't think so, because your body is not.
So if you cheated on your partner, I would be like, are you sure you're in love with your partner? Because you would never do that.
Correct.
Something's wrong.
Something's wrong.
Fix that.
Haan.
And if not, then leave him, because I will then go and tell him.
If I cheat on Viraf, you'll go and tell him?
Yeah, of course. Of course I will.
What kind of a friend are you?
For you.
How is this
I
gonna
don't
go?
think you want that then.
What if I come to you one day and I say, Srishti, मेरे से गलती हो गई यार.
लड़कियों से नहीं होती गलती.
What if I say कि Srishti,
a girl is always right, she never makes mistakes.
That is so bizarre. If I come to you and say, Srishti, I fucked up last night. I had meaningless sex with this person, but
meaningless
I'm
क्या
feeling
होता है
guilty
यार?
now. Meaningless होता है that in that moment you just want to have sex. Your hormones are at play.
You're not looking at the person.
No, you sometimes aren't.
Like
Or
you're not
sometimes
even finding this person attractive. You're just doing it.
No. You have to find the person
You have to.
attractive.
You
I
choose,
hope.
na?
Yeah, you choose, of
So
course.
it's not meaningless then. You have thought at least.
Okay, this is a very good question. Out of physical and emotional cheating, you know a lot of couples who've been married for very long, right? Which out of the two do you think destroys marriages more?
Physical cheating.
Huh?
Yeah.
Says a very immature, not lived person. 50 years of marriage
Parents are
mein,
separated. I don't think I can live more than that.
you think that marriages break more because of physical cheating?
Yeah. What? Marriages break more because of emotional abuse.
I literally know, like I can count the number of people I know who know that their
Clearly
partner
you're
is
attracting the
physically
weirdest kind of people in your
physically cheating on them, but they choose to forgive that or forget that because it's not the same person. Like their husbands are going
But
to
it's
Thailand.
never the same after that. I have seen people
That's a
choosing to
different
live.
conversation.
I have seen people choosing to live after that.
Yeah, that's a
They
different
have-
conversation, but
That's because also there is so much at stake if they leave the marriage.
yeah.
But they never forget it. They bring it back every time. It comes out in your fights. It comes out in your happy times कि मैं इतनी खुश हूँ लेकिन वो thought मुझे trouble कर रहा है. So you're saying all these Bollywood celebrities who have done openly, who have gone and cheated on their wives.
Name them.
I will not.
What?
You name your ex now who emotionally cheated.
I can't.
So then shut the fuck up.
But Bollywood celebrity is not your ex or whatever.
All the wives of the Bollywood celebrities that have openly been cheating, like you
Physically.
physically,
Huh.
and the wives are okay with that
Yeah.
and continue living with them. You think that is something that
Why do you think the wives
you
are continuing
advocate that.
living with them even despite of knowing that their husbands are physically cheating?
Why do you think? It's because
Because they're not emotionally cheating yet.
no, maybe they're
The
not
minute
just,
they start getting emotionally involved, the wives will leave them.
maybe they're not financially independent to leave. The
Bollywood wives are not financially independent is the worst thing I've ever heard because they have so much money. They have all their husband's money. They are not leaving them because it's just physical. And they understand that this husband of mine needs his physical desires fulfilled, which I am not going to fulfill. But emotionally, if he starts getting involved with the person, they are leaving.
See, she left the country because it is worse.
Because it is worse. Emotional is worse, not
No,
physical.
physical
Physical
is
though was
worse.
happening.
Emotional didn't happen. When
It
did
became
happen?
emotional.
How do you know all this? Who told you?
It went on for too long.
Who told you? With who?
Huh?
Who? Achha, talking about that.
Who else are you talking about?
I was talking about.
No, उसका तो फिजिकली रहता है उसका
नहीं,
उसके
उसकी
साथ
बीवी भी
कोई
तो चली गई ना.
बट उसके साथ कोई इमोशनली कनेक्ट कर सकता है गाइस कमेंट्स में बताओ हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं जिसके साथ इमोशनली कनेक्शन नहीं बन सकता कोई इमोशनली कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकता उस आदमी के साथ कैन यू टेल मी इज डिलीटिंग चैट्स चीटिंग
I would not want to believe that.
बिकॉज यू डिलीटेड चैट्स
गलती से delete हो गया.
गलती से नहीं बोल रही मैं यार कॉन्शियसली डिलीटिंग चैट
See, sometimes you delete chats because you know your intent is.
हैव यू
clean.
डिलीटेड चैट्स
Sometimes you delete chats because you know your intent is clean, but you just don't want the other person to feel anything in that. You just want to avoid.
सो नुआंस्ड
You just want to avoid any kind of trouble or any kind of conversation.
if your partner is liking thirst traps cheating
Depends on the kind of photograph.
I don't think that's cheating. Yeah.
Depends, you know, if the girl looks exactly like his ex, you know, because
Then
it happened.
Is sexting cheating if you've never met the person?
See, I look at it as watching porn and
Sexting?
I mean, if it's somebody you don't know and have never met and it's just some you
So
don't,
you're
have,
okay
you don't
with
have a
that,
face
okay.
with to it and you don't have
Bhavesh,
a name
via
to
this
it.
podcast, I'm telling you what she's okay with and what she's not. So, is masturbating to someone you know?
answer that.
Sexting is cheating for me.
Even if it's a random person.
Yeah. Okay. Is masturbating to someone you know cheating?
Because I feel like again that's another level of pornography in a way because it's what is the word? It's what is that word? My
Sad.
mom kept using it when I was dating Bhavesh. It's
Now you better say it.
clandestine.
Oh, okay.
It's clandestine.
Okay.
Clandestine, guys. Word of the day.
I would have never
Clandestine.
known what clandestine is.
But when you're doing something forbidden,
So
it's usually
I also think it's not cheating because I think sometimes you need to use your imagination and sometimes your imagination is out of your control when you're in
Yeah.
that moment. Suddenly somebody pops in your head and you're just like, okay, now I'm in the moment, let me
Yeah,
just.
fuck it.
So it's
Yeah.
fine. I don't think that's cheating.
Yeah.
Cheating always means that the relationship is over. I don't think
for
so.
me it is.
It is? Cheating is non-negotiable?
At least at this point, I don't have kids and all.
So
So
I have had friends who have said this, and not that their partner was cheating, but they have gotten divorced. But they have said this that if I had a kid with this person, I would have just made it work.
yeah.
And not, the partner is not cheated. It's not a situation of cheating. It's just a situation of compatibility issue. But that person has very clearly said, अगर मेरा बच्चा हो गया होता तो मैं नहीं छोड़ती because for the kid I would have made it work. And I'm just like, my God, I wish you had a kid because I like the guy. So I was like, yeah.
Two girls hotline.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
मेरा नाम सारिका है.
हाय सारिका. सारिका, सृष्टि और मैं ना लड़ रहे हैं कि इमोशनल चीटिंग वर्स है या फिजिकल चीटिंग वर्स है. तुमको क्या लगता है कौन सी चीटिंग वर्स है?
दोनों तो pretty much सेम नहीं है, लेकिन तरह से वो दूसरे को अपनी फीलिंग्स भी बता रहा है या बता रही है. बट फिजिकल में तो वो इनसाइड या इनसाइड की तो फिजिकल आई थिंक इज वर्स.
Is worse. Yes, that is true. कि तुम अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल नहीं
अच्छा,
कर
बस,
सकते.
बस, हो गया, point
लेकिन
मिल
अपने
गया.
इमोशन को तो कंट्रोल कर सकते हो ना. क्या आपके साथ कभी चीटिंग
मेरा
हुई
mic
है?
नहीं, मेरे साथ भी नहीं हुई है, लेकिन
आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आपके साथ नहीं हुई है क्योंकि हमारे साथ बहुत हुई है
क्या
चीटिंग.
चीटिंग?
मेरे साथ हुई है. Thank you
for
Sarika.
calling.
Thank you for calling.
बाय.
Sharma, wow, a lot of women are
चलो.
calling. I'm so happy. Hi.
हाय मधु.
Hey guys.
Hey you
Oh
मधु.
my God, English speaking audience love it.
I'm a female too.
Yes.
Both.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm Megha from Noida.
Hi मेघा. So मेघा tell us, हम लोग आर्ग्यू कर रहे थे अभी कि इमोशनल चीटिंग वर्स है या फिजिकल चीटिंग.
तो मेरे हिसाब से तो मुझे लगता है कि इमोशनल चीटिंग इज द वर्स्ट.
ये वन ऑल.
कारण
For me, if I'm not physically like emotionally involved,
Yeah.
मैं physically involved हो ही नहीं पाती हूँ.
Yeah, I get you, girl. But have you ever been cheated on?
Of course, and the worst part is जो जिसके साथ वो cheat कर रहा था वो मेरी best friend थी.
Oh my God.
that is just
That I'm
उसको पता था कि हम दोनों serious हैं और वो फिर भी anyway that's a long story.
Let me just
no.
tell you, जो हुआ अच्छे के लिए हुआ because you deserve better. And thank you for giving me a point. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi,
Hi,
Nupur.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Just waiting for my shop to close.
shop. What shop do you run?
It's a Jaguar store.
Ooh,
Sanitary store.
Excuse
like bathroom
me.
fittings.
But Nupur, tell us, what do you think is worse, emotional cheating या physical cheating?
Emotional cheating. Any day.
2-1.
So you are saying that you will be okay with your partner cheating on you physically?
No, she's not saying that. She's saying cheating is worse, but emotional is even worse.
Have you ever been cheated on?
No, never.
Yay, touch wood, touch wood.
touch wood. I love girls.
Oh my God, don't say that.
Why?
Our men audience will go mad. Srishti loves girls. Srishti loves girls.
But they
It'll
know
become
now
a-
that I have a secret crush on you. Oh shit. It's like मैं इसी का तो इंतजार कर रही थी कब तू अपनी दिल की बात बताओगी.
तूने फाइनली कह दिया.
सलमान भवानी is calling. Yo सल्लू भाई.
Am I talking with Srishti ma'am?
You're talking to Saloni and Srishti ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है सलमान जी बताओ आपको क्या लगता है कि इमोशनल चीटिंग वर्स है या फिजिकल चीटिंग?
सही सही जवाब देना. आप सलमान भाई की तरफ से भी बोल रहे हो.
I guess financial cheating ma'am.
फाइनेंशियल चीटिंग.
सलमान जी ये एपिसोड वो अलग वाला है. अभी इधर बताओ इमोशनल या फिजिकल?
फाइनेंशियल. पर फाइनेंशियल चीटिंग होता क्या है सलमान जी पहले वो बताइए.
वाओ.
Financial cheating kind of ma'am. I mean I don't expect anything. I mean
हाँ.
मतलब बहुत वायरल हो गया एक मतलब बहुत ही absurd comment. But it's not kind of like that. I mean मेंटल भी तो आप कनेक्टेड होते ही हो बट साथ ही साथ आप फाइनेंशियली भी मतलब ब्रोक हो जाते हो एंड सडनली
हाँ.
समथिंग हैपेंस एंड देन शी लीव्स एंड आई मीन
अच्छा.
ओके क्या बोल दिया इसने? इसने बोला क्या है? हेलो.
हाय.
मैं एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर सकता कि मैं रियल में कॉल लग गया है मेरा. मुझे लगा था खत्म हो गया होगा सेशन.
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. आप एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहे जिंदगी से. एक्सपेक्ट करने लगोगे तो क्या क्या हो जाएगा आपके साथ.
अनिमेश जी एक बात बताओ फिजिकल चीटिंग वर्स है या इमोशनल चीटिंग?
मेरे ख्याल से फिजिकल चीटिंग.
यस यस. आपने मुझे जिता दिया ये डिबेट.
जिताया नहीं है टाई है अभी आगे
टाई
कॉलर का.
अच्छा अनिमेश जी आपको कोई दोस्त है तो उसको बोलो जल्दी से कॉल करके फिजिकल चीटिंग इज वर्स बोलने के लिए ताकि मैं जीत जाऊं.
बाय बाय बाय. अनिमेश कल को कोई तेरी वाइफ या गर्लफ्रेंड आके बोलेगी ना दैट आई लव समवन एल्स बट आई हैव नॉट स्लेप्ट विद हिम दैट विल बी वर्स.
तू कर्स क्यों कर रही है अनिमेश को? अनिमेश थू थू थू. उससे और भी हो जाता है ना. ओह सॉरी सॉरी अनिमेश. नो नो नो
you have just set it in stone. मैंने लिखा हुआ है emotional is not just worse but worse.
No, but text is not counted.
Of course it is.
No,
I'll
it's
call
not
him.
counted. No, you can't call him. You can't do that. I'll call Animesh.
I'm not. I'm just saying call.
मैं उसको ब्लॉक कर. अगर गूदा है.
गुदा?
अगर
गुर्दा?
गांठ में गूदा है. तो कॉल करके बात कर. Right now in public, lots of janta.
Okay, fine. Whatever, man. Whatever.
Utkarsh, add it here.
Then don't just text us.
Can't
okay?
right now. और right now भी RN लिखा है उसने.
If this text
You
counts,
have
then I
3
have
missed
won.
calls by with who?
If
Where
this
are the
text
calls?
counts, then I have won. Technically, I have won. Please.
No, you haven't.
I have.
How
Because-
you have won?
Because Utkarsh said emotional.
No,
is
but
worse.
it could be this person who's Karan who said hi. Must be. Should I call him? I'm calling.
You can't. I didn't call Utkarsh.
But Utkarsh said can't right now. If he said I'm calling back, then I would still
No, you wouldn't.
count that.
You're an ass
It's
like
it's a
that.
tie. It's a tie. We'll wait for another 10 seconds. If we don't get a call, it's a tie, and we both are right.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Then nobody buys anyone dinner.
Who? When did we plan this?
I just.
You can't just say things in the middle of a debate, ना? You have to say it in the beginning. That's how rules are set.
I said.
सोच दो
and you
लोग
said
बैडमिंटन
yes.
खेल रहे हैं और
You
बीच
said
में
हाँ,
बोला
ठीक
कि
है.
नहीं स्मैश अलाउड
You
नहीं है.
said
ऐसा
ठीक
थोड़ी
है.
होता है.
होता है.
तुम कौन सा बैडमिंटन खेल रही हो?
मैं बहुत अच्छा बैडमिंटन खेलती थी.
हाँ क्योंकि स्मैश अलाउड नहीं होता होगा.
मैं
इसलिए
सिर्फ मैच
तुझसे-
ही करती हूँ लोग के
तुझसे।
साथ. क्या खत्म करें क्या?
Okay, हाँ done.
Guys, cheating is the worst. Do not commit to your partner if you're going to cheat on them.
Emotional हो
Yeah.
या physical हो, cheating is cheating. And
Cheating.
like our very good one caller said, financial cheating is the worst.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye,
Let us know in
guys.
comments what you think is worse actually.
एक कमेंट.
क्या कर रहे हो?
क्या कर रहे हो?
वीडियो अच्छा लगा?
अच्छा तो लगा होगा वरना अभी तक यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचते तुम.
देखा ना.
कमेंट ना लिटिल एंगेजमेंट.
सब्सक्राइब किया.
सब्सक्राइब किया. मेंबर्स ओनली जस्ट 59 रुपीज एंड VIP 499.
And share.
शेयर ना विथ योर ग्रुप्स एंड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स एंड.
And multiple organisms join के.
हाँ मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे है उस पे जाना.
और हम हॉटलाइन पे हमें कॉल किया.
अरे रोसेश करना.
रोसेश.
अनुपम क्या कर रहा है? खाना बाद में खा कर.
तू अनुपम से क्यों बात कर रही है?
अरे राजेश अभी नहीं मिलना है श्रीजा से. तू पहले करना.
Oh my God, what are these names?
चैताली
ए लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ना बहुत
केक क्या कर रही है?
सृष्टि
सब्सक्राइब कर.
शट अप.
कमेंट. लव यू.